Hello beautiful people, Hannah here and welcome back to another episode of Insta360 TV, and today we have a little exclusive on our hands and one that you guys are gonna love if you're an Apple user. So today we just launched the exclusive X2 Apple bundle, which is now available in stores worldwide. So firstly, we're gonna unbox this thing and see everything that we get inside, and then secondly, we're just gonna have a day out and see what kind of shots we can get using only the contents of this bundle. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Look at that, the One X2 Pocket 360 Steadicam collaboration with Apple. So what's different in this bundle that we should get excited about? So let's see. Beautiful packaging, firstly. Ta-da! Would you look at that? Love the presentation. Okay, let's get into it. So firstly, you will see this beautiful carry case, which is absolutely perfect if you're out and about traveling. You know what 360 cameras are like. You need to keep those lenses nice and safe. So this is a fantastic little companion whenever you're out shooting. But it's a bit too big for just a camera, so what else is inside? Let's take a look. So we've got our carry case here, and inside is where the real fun happens. So as you'll see, we've got our One X2 right here, our flagship 360 cam. Take a look there, fantastic. And next up, you're gonna see this little black box. So what's included in here is an extra battery. So in this bundle, you're gonna get 2 batteries, which gives you unlimited, well not unlimited, but a lot of hours of continuous shooting. And it comes in this little handy box. And the thing that I like about this is right here, you can hold your SD cards. So you wanna keep that footage safe. It's the most precious thing. So I like that. And then you can see here, you can easily put your X2 in here to keep it extra safe. And then, what have we got in here? It would appear another layer of protection. We've got our little pouch here. Let me just open that up. So we've got this little black pouch here, which you can easily just pop your X2 in, like so. Which saves you, if you don't want to carry about the carry case, if you're like me and you've just got a little backpack and you want to even pop this in your pocket, this is perfect because it's going to keep your lens nice and safe. So you've got your carry case, your camera, your little protective sleeve, your extra battery. So remember, that's 2 batteries in total, all in this little case. I love it. But if you've seen any of my videos, you know what your shooting best friend should be. I'm going to show you. It also comes with some accessories, so let's take a look in here. Your 360's best friend whenever you're shooting is your selfie stick. And remember, for the One X2, the great thing is you don't need any additional brackets or anything. You can directly mount your camera on top of the selfie stick, like so. So when we go out shooting for this, for the second part of this episode, this is the only accessory we're going to use, so stay tuned if you want to see that. And the final components of the accessories is all the fun stuff, the cables. So we've got a Type-C to iOS device connector, and then we've also got the USB Type-C for charging. So it's everything you need for a fun-filled, fantastic creative day, and that's exactly what we're gonna do now. So now I'm just gonna go about my daily business and see how we can make it creative using the Insta360 One X2 Apple exclusive bundle. Let's get outside. To kickstart our day with the Apple bundle, we're here at the park with my little dog Cleo. Say hello, Cleo. And here we're going to show you the wonders of 360 camera, which is stabilization and this really cool feature in the app called DeepTrack. So what we're going to do, whilst we run with our selfie stick, you're going to see it's like crazy gimbal-like stabilization, and it doesn't matter how much you run and roll it about, it's going to be super steady. So first of all, let's go a quick run and then I'll show you the DeepTrack feature in the app. Cleo! 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 going to show you how to use one of the app functions called DeepTrack to easily spice up your everyday footage like walking the dog. So as you've seen, she was running about a little crazy. We're filming in 360, so we've captured everything, but this one function makes it really easy. So we're going to choose the starting point, and then we long press on baby Cleo and just circle her like this, start tracking, and then you'll see the AI does the rest of it, and you get something that looks a little bit like this.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside.
Having fun does require a little bit of effort, so we are going to let AI decide the rest of this edit. By that I mean we've chosen a bunch of Shot Lab templates where you only need your X2 and your selfie stick to shoot them. So we're going to use those templates and let AI decide the rest of our story for the day. Enjoy. That is our first look at the Insta360 1x2 Apple exclusive bundle. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you next week.